What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to do a 301 redirect on your WordPress website. So basically you're gonna learn how to redirect a page or URL that has been moved to not lose traffic, to not lose your visitors, and all for free and without coding. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard into the browser address bar, enter with your domain plus WP admin and enter with your login credentials. Review left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins and hit the submenu add plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen, you're going to be able to see a section called search plugins. Click and type 404 solution. Click on install now into this first result right here, this with this yellow light. Click on activate button. Thanks Aaron for a great plugin. This is going to redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. And 404 solution, it's the first one. Click on settings. You also can access plugin settings into the left sidebar of menus on your WordPress dashboard. Hover mouse over settings and you're going to be able to see 404 solution next to privacy submenu. Now, review this tab, okay? Into the very first option, we have page redirect. Click on it. And let's add some redirect, okay? Let me go to one of my blog posts so I can move it. Imagine that this URL right here, best WordPress template, okay? I no longer will host this post, so I'm gonna delete this post. This post no longer exists. So if I try to access this post, you're gonna be able to see this. Oops, this page can be found. It's an error, okay? I'm gonna lose traffic. How to redirect this URL to a working URL, okay? For example, to this URL right here. Go to the plugin, find the moved URL, copy that, go to page redirect, then click on add redirect, enter the entire URL. Now enter the new URL. So from this one to this one, okay? It can be a permanent or a temporary URL moving. And if you click on advanced options, you can make it active from this date to this date or make some condition. For example, if the user it equals an admin, this is gonna works. If not equals admin, this is not gonna works. But this is some advanced option, okay? You have no need for it. Just jump this step, click on add, and here is the URL change made, okay? Best WordPress theme, move it to this one right here. Now, if I try to access this URL, I'm gonna be redirected automatically to this new one working URL. Nice, right? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below. Remember that you always can check into the plugin when the URL has been used. For example, this one has been used today. So you're gonna be able to see how many hits this URL got. And you can edit the redirect or trash the redirect to remove it, okay? Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!